Okay, the focus of our discussion is going to be lesson number 8, and that is understanding z-scores. So we have the formula for z. This is x minus x bar all over standard deviation, where your x bar is here is your mean, and x is the raw score. Of course, s is the standard deviation. So your mean can be the mean of a population or mean of a sample, same true with your standard deviation, depending on the nature of the problem. Okay? So out of our formula, we can also derive the formula if we are looking for the raw score. Okay, how do we do that? We have to cross multiply z times sd is equal to x minus x bar. Since we are looking for x, we have to transpose it to the other side. So z times sd plus x bar, this is equal to x. So this is the formula if we're going to look for the raw score. Okay, the formula for raw score, and this is the formula for z. So how do we go about this? Okay, maybe we have an example. Say the given score is 80 and the mean is 75. The standard deviation is 5. So what is the z value? Z is going to be x, that is 80, minus x bar, that's 75, divided by standard deviation is 5. 80 minus 75 is 5 all over 5, that's 1. The corresponding z value to this is 1. Another example, say your score is 70. The mean score is, say, 95, and the standard deviation is 10. What corresponding z value will be considered here? So z is equal to 70 minus 95 all over 10. 70 minus 95 is 25, negative 25 all over 10. So that is negative 2.5. The corresponding z value to this is negative 2.5. What about if we're going to look for the raw score? Say z score is 1.0. Your mean is 80. Okay, and your standard deviation is 4. Okay, so substituting from the given formula, that is x is equal to z times sd plus x bar, or the mean. So raw score is 1.0 times 4 plus 80. That is 1.0 times 4 is 4 plus 80. So the raw score is 84. Okay, another example. Say we have the z score is negative 1.5. The mean score is 85, and the standard deviation is 5. Okay, the standard deviation is 5. So raw score is equal to z 1.5 times 5 plus negative 1.5, I should say, plus 85. That is, raw score is negative 1.5 times 5 is negative 7.5 plus 85. So negative 7.5 minus 85 is equal to 77.5. Okay? So that's going to be the raw score, 77.5. Okay, so that is how we go about finding the z-scores. Thank you very much.